Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can make money by listening to music. So basically there are many websites whereby you can make money by listening to music, and I'm going to highlight some of them. So onto the first website is Radio One. You only need to sign up and you need to listen to music for 15 minutes in order for you to get paid. But the issue with this specific app is that payouts may not be that high. So, but it can help you to kickstart your making money project. So it's somewhat reliable. So on to the next app is shrinkme.io. So this basically works when by finding a popular song that you like on the web, and when you find this popular song, you can paste the URL of the song here, and then it will generate a short song that you have generated. And then if people click that link, that is how you are going to get paid. And you're going to share this URL in different platforms. So that seems like a very straightforward method. So it basically it pays you $22 per 1,000 views. I don't know how that seems about moderate, but you need to work for it. On to the next app now. It's called Sound Campaign. So this basically works for reviews. Artists post their content to be reviewed, and you, the reviewer, are paid to review their content. So you get $14 per song review. So you just write a review which provides an honest feedback. You must be honest about the song. The benefit of this app is the payment are instant, and you can sign up with your Spotify account. Once approved, you can start getting paid. Now for the next app, it's called Like for Like. On this platform, you can exchange things like listening to music to like Instagram likes. It basically deals with social media, and for you to earn through this platform, you need to be an active social media user. For instance, Instagram, Snapchat, and those kind of stuff. The engagement you earn can be sold on other platforms. If you know how to sell engagement services, it's the best platform for you. So this is how it looks like. So on to the next platform now is Cashstars. So this app pays users to listen to music on YouTube and Spotify. Basically, it pays $10 to $15 per song. In order for you to be eligible for this site, you need to be on a waiting list in which you'll be contacted 2 to 3 months. So this is the joint priority wait list. This is the one I'm telling you about. Once you apply, you may have to wait for around 2 to 3 months, but it's worth it. It's one of the most high paying platforms in these platforms. So it can really help you a lot. So on to the next step now is Music Gateway. So this app also you get paid to review songs. So it connects artists with listeners to boost their exposure. As you can see, I've created a name. You can create an artist name if you like. For me, I'll write as Chris. So this is how the website looks like. So you can choose the type of currency that you like to be paid in. So as I've told you, you can select this option for music promotion, whereby you are the one reviewing the songs that are being posted on this platform, and you are the one who is responsible for promoting them by giving either good or bad reviews. So that is how this platform works. The next app you're going to see is Precash. Now for this specific app, it's a very good app, though the payments are not very high, but it can help you for a kickstart, and you can familiarize yourself with this app and you can start earning even though it's not that much. Now for the next app is Cash for Minutes. So this basically works when users earn by listening to radio streamers. But again, the earnings are relatively small. You can log in through here, but it can help you to kickstart your career or your side hustles. It can help you kickstart. So that is the overall review of the apps that can, or rather the sites that can help you earn through music. So I hope you found this content useful. Consider subscribing if you found this content useful, and see you in the next video.